Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the shadowy video trend on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So in this video trend, you're basically creating a shadow behind as you're moving around on screen. So as you can see, there's a shadow around the person. Wherever she moves left, right, or up or down, you'll see two versions of the person. So to create this, you'll need an effect called Shadowy, which is right here. So if you're on the main page of your TikTok app, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Next, tap on Effects. Then tap on Search. Here, search for Shadowy. And this is what the effect looks like. Tap on it. And once you tap on that, the effect will be enabled. And as you can see, wherever I move, it'll leave a shadow behind. So I'll go ahead and press record. And now I can move around and it'll leave a shadow behind for myself. So there you go. That is how to create the shadowy video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.